Students, all are welcome to computer class. Now here we are learning today the activity from the chapter number 4, that is formatting a document. In this chapter, in earlier two videos, we have learned many things like changing the font size, font color, then giving border or number for the list, then borders and shading for the paragraph or for particular text, then drop cap, how to apply drop cap, then how to align the text. All many different things we have learned. Now in this activity we will try to learn how to apply those things. Okay, now here first you have to do the activity which is given on page number 28 after the chapter number 4. Okay, for that you have to open MS Word and from that open a blank document. How to open MS Word? In the search box you type MS Word. Whatever version of MS Word is available, it will get open in front of you. Out of that you select the blank document. Now whatever text is given in the book, that full text, all the lines you have to type to the left margin itself. Here you don't have to give any effect, simply type the text first. Okay, so it will look like this, and then one formatting effects we'll try to give. But before that we want to save the file. Now how to save? For saving the file you have to click on the office button, and from the office button a drop down menu will come. Out of that select save option and a dialog box will get open. Okay, all this procedure you know. Now in this dialog box you have to select the destination where you want to exactly save the file. Here I have selected desktop because I want to save it on the desktop, and give the file name as dreams, and then click on the save button which is shown here at the bottom of the screen with the red arrow. Correct. Now next is here we are going to give the effect for the heading. Okay, now how to give that? First, for that select the heading dreams, and then you have to click on the home tab, font group, and the actual font we want to change. We want to make it Tahoma and the size should be 20. For that select the downward arrow which is shown after the font name, and whenever it will get selected, means whenever you will scroll down the font option, there you will get the Tohama, this font. Select that and size you should give as 20, and see the effect. It has become little bit big other than the text given. Now again some more effects we want to give for this Tohama, this dreams word. Okay, now we have to make it bold and we have to make it underline. Again these options are available in the home tab, font group. See here, dreams word, this is selected only, and we are selecting the alphabet B option. It is more little bit darker compared to the earlier screen. Correct. And here underline U option, you have to underline it. See, can you see the effect in the on the screen? Correct. Now some more effects we want to give for this as color. Okay, font color option, again it is available in the font group itself, home tab, font group. See, alphabet A having strip, color strip at the bottom. Beside that one downward arrow is there. You have to click on that downward arrow, means a color palette will come in front of you, and out of that we have selected the red color. It is shown with the red arrow here, and can you see on the screen? See, the dreams word has become red in color, and it has come at the center of the page, center of the margins, left margin and right margin. Again that option is in the paragraph group. So see the center option which is selected in the blue color. Can you see on the ribbon? Yes, observe that properly. Like this you have to do. Now after that we want to give some more effects to some other text. Now here you have to select alphabet P from the text, from the word people. Okay, now here only P is selected. After that See here, you have to apply drop cap option for the alphabet P. Okay, all of you learn what is drop cap option. So how to apply? It is in the text group. See, drop cap option is there. You click on that drop cap option, you will get different choices. Now first choice, that is along with the text, we want to show this drop cap option so that P has become very big. Okay, for the 3 lines of the text, it is occupying 3 lines. Okay, it is in the insert tab text group. Okay, now see here, after that what is the next one we are going to do? Select the points from the direction to deadlines. See, direction to deadlines, these points are given. We have to select all these points. All of you know how to do selection, correct? After doing this, we want to give bullets for these points. So after doing this, we have to click, yeah, before giving bullets, we want to make the font Arial and apply italic effect. Again, Arial and applying italic effect, all this is these options are available in the font group. So click on home tab, font group. The text is already selected. Earlier the text was Tohama, correct? So click on the beside that word, one downward arrow is there. Click on that arrow and scroll down and scroll up or down and select the font as Arial and apply italic effect. Means the text will become little bit slanting position. Okay, so apply that, so it will get applied to the text given. After that, we want to give bullets for this. So click on bullets option. Bullets option is available in the paragraph group. Now we want to give simple dots. So see, bullet icon is there, and beside that bullet icon, one downward arrow is there. But we are not clicking on the downward arrow. We are going to select the same bullets which is shown in the icon. So simply click on that icon, not the downward arrow. So those dots will get applied as bullets. Can you see on the screen? Yes. Now after that, next activity is that select the word goals and change its font to 16 size. Okay, so with this in the first screen, goals word is selected, that is shown with the red arrow, and in the next screen it is shown how to select the size of the font. Here font we are not changing itself, we are changing only the size. So click on the font size, downward arrow, and select number 16. So that will get applied to the selected text. This is over. Now next activity. So many activities are there, so many points are there. Okay, now we want to underline the text, starting with steps, finishing with reality. Okay, now first you have to select the text which you want to underline, correct, and select the underline option. Again, this underline option is available in the home tab text group, which is shown here on the top of the screen on the ribbon with the red arrow. Can you see this? Yes. Now the effect also, it is shown here on the screen. See, steps, the full sentence, then the last word is reality. This sentence is selected and the effect is given to this sentence, that is you are getting displayed the underline for the sentence or for the text selected. Correct. Now what we want to do next, that is highlight the last 3 points and click on numbering button. Where is the numbering button? Yes, numbering button is in the paragraph group. Okay, now here again numbering button icon is shown with 1, 2, 3 simple numbers. That only we want to apply. So don't click on the on the side of that icon, one downward arrow is given. Don't click on that arrow. Simply click on that numbering button icon. So numbers will get applied. Can you see here? It is shown at the bottom of the screen, the text which is having numbers. Correct. So like this, everything we have done. Okay, all the points we have covered. Now we have to save the file with Ctrl+S key combination. See, for saving the file you can use this Ctrl+C combination. Otherwise, click on the office button and click on save option. But here we are pressing Ctrl+S and we are saving the file. So like this you have completed the activity. Okay, if you have not followed anything, revise the videos which are there for explaining how to learn all these points, and then try to do the activity. Okay, and whenever you will get the worksheet, try to solve the worksheet. Whenever you will get the notes for this lesson, try to do all this. But before doing the activities, if you'll revise the videos for this chapter 2 videos, it will be better for you to solve the activity. By then, thank you.